Hey there, fellow gardeners. Today I'm about to share one of the best-kept secrets in the gardening world: baking soda. Yep, this humble kitchen staple is packed with amazing benefits for your garden. Let's jump into 10 clever ways you can use baking soda to transform your gardening game. First up, a natural fungicide. Just mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of liquid soap and a gallon of water. Spray this on your plants to combat those pesky fungal diseases like powdery mildew. Your plants will thank you. Number 2, weed killer extraordinaire. Sprinkle baking soda directly on garden weeds. It will eradicate them, leaving your beloved plants untouched. Say goodbye to those uninvited guests. Next, let's talk pests. Mix baking soda with flour and dust it on your plants. This magical combo deters cabbage worms, aphids and other unwanted critters. Your veggies will be safe and sound. Now, if your soil is too acidic, baking soda can help. Use it to neutralize the soil, making it more hospitable for plant growth. A little sprinkle goes a long way, and here's a sweet tip for tomato lovers. Sprinkle baking soda around your tomato plants. It reduces soil acidity, resulting in sweeter tomatoes. Trust me, your taste buds will notice the difference. Speed up your composting with baking soda. By making the environment more alkaline, your compost will break down faster. It's like composting on turbo mode. Got smelly compost bins? No problem, just sprinkle some baking soda to neutralize those odors. Your garden and your nose will be much happier. Cleaning gardening tools can be a chore, but not with baking soda. Make a paste with water and scrub away dirt and rust. Your tools will look brand new. Here's a neat trick for seed germination. Soak seeds in a baking soda solution before planting. This enhances germination and helps your plants get a strong start. Last but not least, ant repellent. Create barriers with baking soda around your plants or ant trails. The ants will steer clear, leaving your garden in peace. There you have it, 10 incredible ways to use baking soda in your garden. Give them a try and watch your garden thrive. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!